actually a productive series. Hit a home run late yesterday, a 2-run homer in the ninth. I mean, did bring the tying run to the plate as well. That was in the fourth. Also has a double in this series. I think we can compare these two. We've done it. They're certainly had a sparkling effort from that trio. Ozuna's season can't be overlooked.